Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about Montego Bay. Right, you know, the West, the Wild Wild West, the real Hollywood. Now, you already know, say, anytime foolishness are going, Moby refuse to get left out. Anytime any other parish go on like them want anything too extraordinary, anything to steal their civic limelight, here comes St. James. Now, this story actually took place a couple days ago. I was going to do it yesterday, but then the Maxfield incident happened. I'm just cover that one instead. So I'm just go straight into it. Now, the brother is sitting on his screen right now. Right. Them call him College Man. He's a graduate of Cornwall College. Youth were, Park on Caton Lane. Can spot him over Rosemount and in place there. Mount Salem. But why may I show you him? Well, this brother get himself in some real problem. I mean the kind of problem we send you to an early grave. Remember the artist on the cover, right? Named Father God. Remember him? And the man then kill him off. Well, him and this youth are friend. Man, since that artist lose him life, the whole place spooky. Right? There's been constant tit for tat, shot of fire non-stop. Right? But it's like the man them now let it go. Right? What happened to Father God? This youth and some of my friend them decided say they might go make a step. Let me say party I go on. Right? One place named Campbell's Lane. And them get up them weapons and say them go run go in there. Right. Fire off them some shot, 87 style already, and then take out themselves. Sound like an easy plan, right? Well, not in Hollywood. Not in Moby. You see when him run go over there with the man them and start fire off rounds, guess what happened to him? Him woke up in some man will have them own weapons. And the man them go answer back. It look like say the man them in the party strap up and ready for any event that may occur. So the apps with them plan, which was supposed to be an easy apps, run in, let have a couple rounds, take with yourself. Now them find themselves in a shootout. And what's the worst thing? Right? What's the 87's worst nightmare when them go for man? It's to buck up in a smaddy who also have a gun. And in this case, the man them buck up in a them are 87 too, so it's a pure 87 years so. When the smoke clear, them find College Man mash up. Him friend them who did a step with him, because everybody bad when time them a step in. Right, when time man a plan them ups and them a load up them rounds, them a say, yeah, if you go over there, yo, if I even want dog, me I kill it. If I want cat, me no business about nobody. Right, come on and kill her. Me know for them style already. That's assuming there's no response. That's assuming there won't be a firefight. Well, there was this time. The 87s them, your favorite Batman, hardcore, no afraid of nothing. Una turn in a Usain Bolt, turn in a Safa. Look like say the 100-meter record get broke. But I don't know what go on. Maybe College Man they have an injury or something, but he couldn't take himself fast enough in time. So he ended up losing life. Just like that, young youth, early 20s. Take it up on himself, gone in a man place. See them a go shoot up ends and don't make it back out. And the funny thing is, because I'm personality, enough people didn't know him as a quiet youth. We telling all the time about this, right? Claim say man but me don't know him as an 87, you don't have to know him as an 87. Enough people remember him from his school days. So when this happened to him, some people get Caught off guard, they're like, but we don't remember him stay so, yeah, but we don't remember man from school days. We don't talk about man when you just walk past, you don't know man. You know man can live in the same community, you know, and you know him by name and you see him walk past, but you don't know what people up to. Only him friend them know him, only him friend them when go up on apps know him. Right. It's a you to the evening and make a bag of money, right, that's the scamming thing. But as usual, you know where the man them take for their money. Right? When they make money off of the scamming, you know them do it already. Buy guns and get it out. Same old story. So now, even though there's a little calm in the area, because me say, there's been some tit for tat, right through, even before the artist lose him life, but there's been some tit for tat, but then they'll be like, you know, a little lull, place go quiet. Well, since this brother lose him life, you know, shot a fire right through. More know how my baby man them can go all half an hour straight. Right. A fire shot. Like say, it's a range them depend. It's almost like the security forces them either cover them ears so them don't hear nothing, or them just tell themselves, you know, left them alone and then do what them do. Because the extended period of time we shot a fire, people, residents, I wonder, what go on, because, you know, you expect, alright, at first, rounds exchange, but then you expect, you know, security forces turn up and it done. Not in this part of the movie. Complete madness. College man dash him life. Enough more youths like him, I would dash for them one too. This is not a case of him the damn yard and him a man fall out, a man come for him, and him take up himself. So him a go take life and lose for him own. So I don't know who come up with the idea. Cause I must him, you know it got already, man up on corner. All it take is 187. With film, movie star mindset. Jump up out of nowhere, dog, you know what to do? Yo, you know me a pre dog, and when some man them say, where I pre? Yo, you see all the party will come up, I run if you just run night and yourself, wet up the whole place in the dog and take yourself in a easy thing, you know. When some man them sit down and think about it and say, yeah man, a real thing man. Look, you go do it now, that's all it take. And but I think say some of these apps are not great, and the big planning going on them, you know. No matter of fact, the fact that them end up so disasters, sure you said there's no great planning. You know them. Enough of them a spur of the moment thing. Right. One man just walk past on the corner and say, yo, I can go and go wet up the place. Alright, come, gone. This time, the innocent people don't get caught tonight because remember it's a party. So if they did have them way, who knows how much life, right, would I lose? Because I'm sure say and everybody at the party would have been 87. So, in some ways, you could say, you know, people talk about karma. Him own a karma, you not bite him. We just want to understand that Jamaica is a place where 87s are having rolling shootouts, like say, as some kind of video game I play. And the worst thing about it is the man them learn, say it's not like say. The rest of them see what happened. The college man and say, well, you see what the last time we take up ourselves run gun in a place and it's swamp the college man better load them things and so it go. Right now them are pre, so them need to go make a next step for college man. Cause now them a look on it and I say, well, then take out Father God, now them take out college man, right? So now we have more than one reason if we go make another step. And the cycle just go on and on and on. And if them get somebody on the next side, then the side they start to feed them plotting, right? And them no one go make a next step on the other side. Complete madness. The way them things are happening, I'm gonna be I swear say, right? That's some kind of fiction, right? Because you don't really see them things in the news. Enough time I do some story about Moby and people say, then something like that will happen, I'm gonna see it on news. How come this something I'm gonna see it in the papers? I wonder if you realize that the papers and the news only cover like 5-10% of what happened in Jamaica. You have places in Jamaica where shot fire every night. Within the space of 7 days, a week, every night shot fire. People from certain inner cities can tell you. You just know hear about it because unless somebody a little clip leak on the internet, or after 30 people lose them life, then it finally gets some major coverage. You just not see it in your favorite paper or your favorite TV station. But your best beliefs when you talk about Mount Salem, Norwood, and another place there, it's now become the norm. People just go, shots on fire, people just, alright, make us see how long it will last. 5-10 minutes, alright, back to life. Sound like a show, right? But this ain't no show. Because in a show, after man lose them life, when the director say cut, the man drop on the ground and get up back and go on in yard. When the director say cut, the man have the whole part red paint on him to make it look real, then just wipe it off and then get up and go on in yard. But in a real life, there's no cut. Unless the doctor or the man down or the man will cut you. Right. On the autopsy table. Complete madness. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Shout out to the channel members them. Right. Just so when I take time I grow. I see the emojis them all in the comment section, like the unicorns and everything. So big up on yourself, right? And Vulture squad, you don't know. Stay circling. Bless.